Okay. Whoop. Fuck me, dude. That's a funny way to open the stream. By the way, this is a continuation on the stream right before this stream on the channel. Sorry. Hopefully we get some people in here. Yo. So can you guys just pick up where it left off, or it's like a totally different link? Like, did it just pop up again for you, or like, dude? It's my internet, man. I got freaking Cox cable, dude. The download speed and consistency on download is really good, but the upload is just so inconsistent. I'm thinking about switching to AT&T. I really wish I had fiber in my neighborhood, but you know how that goes. Yeah, let's let a few people get in here. So, for the people just joining, yeah, make sure you drop likes and everything so that everybody gets to see. I'm gonna go share this link out on my Twitter again. It's so disappointing when that happens, man. So aggravating. Let everybody get in. I'm sorry, guys. Sorry that happened. Yeah, Josh, cable internet. I live in the New Orleans area, and we're in this fucking Stone Age. I want to move to Kansas City or somewhere. They got fiber everywhere. Yeah, I do get enough fiber in my diet. I actually focus pretty specifically on fiber in my diet. DoorDash. I need to order some food. I haven't eaten yet today. I'm fasting, brother. Just let people get in here. Make sure you drop a like on the stream. Thank you guys for the support. Always appreciate it. So can you guys that are coming back, where exactly did I leave off? Was I still talking about the January run before it failed, or where exactly did we leave off? So aggravating, man. I gotta start over this. Okay, though. I am hardwired, Josh. I'll show you. I got a speed test. I got the app right here. We'll do a test on stream while we're waiting. Fib extension from January. Okay, that's where I figured that it left off, but never know. Holy shit. Why is Chick-fil-A saying it's over an hour delivery? I think I have the Uber Eats where it's free delivery every time. Let me go do that one. See the download speed? Super good, right? And then the upload speed is plenty for a stream, 30 megs. I mean, that should be enough, right? So aggravating, bro. Cox cable. Shorting Cox. All right. Yeah, I'm drawing the fucking lines again, Austin. Shit. Yeah, so just to pick up where we left off, the fib extension, if you drew from, you said, okay, we found our bottom here in May at this 0.786 retracement. You draw here from the bottom of the move on January 5th to the top on January 27th, back down to the bottom that you found here, right? And then you could get your extension levels. And as I was talking about earlier in the other stream, you know, these extension levels are treated by traders, right? Not holders necessarily, but traders are treated it as potential reversal places, right? Where the price could, and again, this is predictive, where the price could turn around. If once we got into this big move, a bunch of traders were going, you know, people who aren't apes or whatever were going, oh shit, what the fuck? Let's see where the fuck it's going to stop. And they started exiting around these levels. And you can see how Fibonacci ties in the Elliott wave by doing a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, right? See how it comes together? And sometimes, you know, Elliott wave is, you know, your waves don't always look the same because sometimes you just have these crazy runs. But just to get back to our point here, you could have predicted, if you would have said, oh, it's definitely not going to go over the 3.618, right? But it's not about prediction, right? It's about preparation. It's not about predicting the future. It's about preparing yourself for whatever situation can play out. So, and then I'll let that kind of reside with you guys. You guys can ask me some questions in the meantime, and then we'll move on to what it could look like for the next move. But if you haven't already, make sure you drop a like on the stream. If you did on the old stream, remember this is a new stream, so like the likes count separately now. So unfortunately, we have to do that too. Or you don't. You don't have to like the stream. You don't have to do anything. Don't do anything that I tell you to do. Nothing in this stream is financial advice, by the way. By the way, dude. Do not tell me, you said it was going to go to this for sure, 100%. Nothing in life is 100%. I would never say 100%. So anybody who tells you that I said that something was going to happen 100%, they are lying to you. Lying. Doubling up on the likes, yeah. Cox Cable is responsible. Thanks, Cox, for the fucking engagement increase. I appreciate it. Ooh, Legacy Kitchen. Fucking 60 minutes. I can't wait that long. What's a quick one? I need... didn't they have a fast delivery, like, section on this shit? Healthy eating? Po' Boy Depot. How the fuck is that healthy? That's not healthy. Wags is open? What the fuck? Dude, I'm so fucking hungry, man. I might have to, like... I might have to snack on something before I get food. Honestly, I don't know. I don't know if I can hold out. Yo. Y'all are like, is he like here or what's going on? Dude, I'm hungry as shit. I'm trying to find some food. I'm sorry. Fucking dying out here. How much is the delivery fee for this? Okay. I guess we do this. Fuck. I don't know. I really don't want that. Do we just DoorDash Chick-fil-A? That's what I wanted. Yeah, we just do. Fucking starve. The delivery time says 69 minutes. It's a fucking sign, dude. The fucking sign, dude. Sorry, guys. I'm fucking starving. Please just make sure you drop a like on the stream. I promise I'm going to deliver some content at some point. I just, like... I'm just so fucking hungry. Large fry. Perfect for post-workout, right? So healthy. My mouth is watering. I'm hungry. Just give me, like, all the sauces. Just give me fucking all kinds of... This is like a ASMR Chick-fil-A DoorDash order. Is that what's going on? Fuck it. I don't care how much this costs. Just fucking schedule it. Just give me the fast. Can I pay extra for faster delivery? Is that an option? Man. Submitted. All right, I'm back. Sorry. Sounds like the... Yeah, it sounds like Squidward. Facts. Mix the Polynesian and ranch? Holy shit, that's adventurous. Woo! Yeah, you can on Uber Eats. Chick-fil-A is not on Uber Eats around me for some reason. And I don't have fucking Dash Pass, so I'm paying for fucking... What do you call it? Higher delivery. All right, you guys ready to see what the extensions would be? Well, first, right, let's look at the retracement so that we can go through the same logic. Even though it's not fun, you guys are like, I just want to see what it looks like when we're on the moon, brother. Don't worry about telling me where it could go down to or where it has gone down to. Don't care about that. I just want to see the moon. So if you draw the retracement, if this is the method that you want to use, you want to draw the retracement from the very bottom all the way to the very top of this move. You get these Fibonacci levels. Let me make this a little bit easier to see on stream. No, that doesn't help. I guess I could make them thicker. Is that what I want to do? Well, I want to brighten them up. I'm just gonna brighten the really key ones. That's what I'm gonna do. Good idea, Dave. You're a fucking genius, dude. Holy shit, you're so smart. Wow, dude, you're amazing. So smart, Dave. Wow. Bear with me. Sorry. Don't tell me not to say I'm sorry. I don't want to hear it. Okay. All right. So this is our retracement levels. Again, what we're doing is we're measuring the retracement levels with Fibonacci retracement and TradingView. The app I use to chart is TradingView, by the way. So from the bottom to the top here, you see that we retrace down to our 0.618 to 0.65 level, which is $28.86 to $31.02. The reason that I have these two levels, and a lot of people don't have these two levels, is because this is the Fibonacci, the golden pocket in the Fibonacci ratio. The Fibonacci sequence, I'm sorry, ratio. I guess I could be accurate too. But anyway, you see here that price turned around after coming into this golden pocket. And then it also respected these levels on the way up. You see here on its way down from the move in, to $70, it tends to turn around close to these Fibonacci levels. This is not an accident. This actually happens in nature. And to prove that, sorry, you guys are like, just get me to the moon, Dave. Draw the line so that it makes us go to the moon. That's if you follow me on Twitter, you get that joke. Last night I was memeing. But anyway, just to prove to you that these Fibonacci levels work no matter where you use them. This is the SPX, the Standard & Poor's Index, commonly known as the S&P 500. And if you would have wanted to do a fib retracement on the Great Depression, you could have measured from the bottom here in 1878 to the top of the move here in, what's this date? 1929. Wait, more accurately. And you could see that around these Fibonacci levels, now, whoo, baby, that's a retracement right there. Now you'd probably have to measure like closer up to this or something, because this looks like quite the rally. But you can see that, you know, as it's going up here and then it's coming down, once it does this crazy thing, like this is just a big wick, right? This is a big crazy wick. This probably happened in like one day or like a very short period of time, I'll say. You can see that as it comes up, boom, it respects the 0.5 Fibonacci, the 0.618 Fibonacci. I don't know how clear this is and easy for you guys to see, but you can see that it kind of respects these levels, right, on its way up, and then you get into extension territory. You start measuring extensions. So I'll do a full video on that one day. Whatever. All right, let's figure out where the moon is. Now, obviously, oh my goodness, there's gonna be so many people that come in here or like watch this or watching this or like, it's gonna go way higher. It's not gonna go that. It's gonna go to the moon. It's obviously, you're wrong, David, because this is where it's going. It's going to here. Whatever this number is, okay? So don't ever lie to us again. You are a shill, Dave, if you don't say that the stock is going to $500 million a share. I'm entertaining, by the way. This is not financial advice. This is for entertainment purposes only. I just thought that you guys might think that's funny. You also, if you are that guy, you probably think it's not very funny, but currently we may or may not be laughing at your expense. It's all fun and games, man. Come on. Don't be so tough. All right. So you draw your Fibonacci extension. Maybe you want to do it, boom, from the bottom February, to the top in June, and then back to the bottom right here in August, that $30-ish level. Now, historically, we know that in June, AMC hit its 3.618. If that is what happens again, then you could see that the price technically, based on Fibonacci extension, if it does have a move up, could get up into these sorts of price regions based on this Fibonacci extension. Could stop here. Could stop at $138. Could stop at $100 or 96. Could stop at stop at any of these levels. Could not do this at all and continue its move down. These are all possibilities, okay? And I'll show you why if you want. You do a fib retracement here, again, you see we came down, we actually broke our 0.786, and that's where we turned around. Guess what? AMC hasn't done that yet. Now, I'm not saying that it's necessary. It doesn't have to. 0.618 is actually the more common level for a retracement. But we have not seen this 0.786. So for you to say that based on the history we have to go up now is actually incorrect, because we have not hit the 0.786 retracement level on the more macro scale. I will say that it is promising that we saw this turnaround here, right, for this shorter term 0.786, and it sort of reminds me of this move, right, where we settled at the 0.786 off of this rally, settled at the 0.786, and then we had our breakup here. That's what it reminds me of most. It's the most similar that I've been able to find thus far. What do you guys think about that? I'm going to read chat for a little while after that. That was fun. I'm sure a lot of you guys either got excited, or maybe you learned something, or maybe you just hate me because I make jokes about AMC's price and where it can go, and maybe you hate me because I don't make jokes about it and I give a more rational perspective. You can probably hate me for a lot of reasons, I suppose. Get a big enough crowd of people. Hey, we got 195 viewers. Thank you guys so much for watching the stream. If you haven't liked the stream already, make sure you drop a like. It helps us in the YouTube algorithm to tell other people who might be interested in AMC that this is a good stream to watch. Also, if you would like to see more of my content, feel free to subscribe and hit the notification bell so you never miss when I post. I promise not to blow up your phone. 140 is realistic coming from Kid. Wow. What a time. Man, what a time. Be alive. You and yours? Where's me and mine? Are we talking teams? Hey, Bitcoin is down at 48,000? Holy guacamole. This motherfucker here. Nice. I think that when it, not financial advice, nothing financial advice, please. Holy shit. Dip to what? Oh, by the way, dude, I am not trying to tell anybody that they should be trading AMC. I personally hold AMC. I buy long-term options in AMC. Sometimes I buy short-term options. But that is my financial decision. Whatever you guys choose to do is what you guys choose to do. You can sell, you can buy, you can hold, you can trade, you can swing, you can do whatever you want. Travis, the point of this channel is to look at AMC from a more rational, technical perspective and better understand what the movements can be. What's my next move, Travis? I don't want to give like price points. These are the sorts of price points that I would be looking at and projecting, but I just don't want people to like, because people are, dude, I'm telling you, when you get enough people in a room, I don't want people to get the insinuation that I'm trying to say that this is my prediction. It's not about predicting. It's about understanding the sentiment and using technicals as a tool to better understand where it could go. And that understanding comes from looking at it from a downside perspective as well as an upside perspective. But I am an investor, not a trader. So yeah, Travis, I understand, man. You just got to understand that, like, What's up? Thanks, Ashish. Yeah, Travis, these are the fibs. Can you guys see the fibs clearly, or is it like shit, or what? Thanks, Saul. I appreciate that. But there are other good channels. Vincent Marino? Dude, what up, cousin? I'm just kidding. We're not related. Well, we might be, but I could be related to any of you guys, realistically. What up, Ray? Short start to cover. Do you think we can blow past fib levels? Yeah, so well, okay, so fib levels, saying that is weird, okay? Because fib levels don't have, there's no limitation on fib levels. There's no such thing as that. If you use the Fibonacci sequence, the numbers are exponential. It can go up forever. These are just the more common levels that you see, right? But I'm willing to guarantee you that if there was a MOAS sort of situation where you see 4-digit, 5-digit, 6-digit, I'm not saying that that's necessarily going to happen, right? Because there's no guarantees. But if that was to happen, I am willing to bet that wherever it does stop is going to be somewhere in the Fibonacci sequence. And I'm not going to sit here and do research on it, but maybe some other stream we can do that together. Dan, no, I do not share entry points, not in real time. No, I do not share my trades or my positions or anything like that. I don't think that it's valuable to my audience. I don't think it's valuable to anybody. I know that you guys in nature, it feels like it would be valuable, but I feel like my point and what I'm trying to do here is educate people and teach them how to make better decisions on their own versus me actually like making the decision for you. I hope you respect that under that position. Of course, Ray. Dude, I appreciate you, man. I'm pretty sure you're Ray from from Twitter, right? Give me 1 second, guys. I'll be right back. If you guys haven't already, make sure you drop a like on the stream. It supports the stream. It's completely free to do, as well as subscribing. And it tells others that this stream is a good stream to watch via the YouTube algorithm. Thank you, YouTube gods. Yikes. Yikes, 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 yikes. Thanks, PJ. I appreciate that, dude. Yeah, so right now, and for you guys to understand my bias, I am an AMC bull. For now, the way that I am looking at the waves and what moves we are going to be seeing here in the short term, I personally believe, ooh, baby, this is actually, wow, I didn't even know, how did I miss this? This seems like something that I definitely would have noticed. What the fuck? This is big, guys. Wow. Let me make this line smaller because it's fucking aggravating. Less visible, too. Wow, man. This is a big deal, guys. This is a big deal. This recovery that AMC has seen and what happens in the next few days is going to tell us a lot. If you measure the fib retracement from the bottom here to the top here, right? The bottom before the move in June to the top of the move in June. Look at where our most recent retracement also correlates with. Not only does it correlate with correlate. Why did I say it like that the first time? Correlates with. Not only does it align with this 0.786. Let me write the shorter term 0.786 at this $34-ish level. I hope this is easy for you guys to see. But also, this is a pretty close move to the top of the golden pocket of the longer term Fibonacci. Wow, man. Wow, 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 wow. And also, if you draw it from the wicks here on the daily, this trend line, this bearish trend line that we previously broke out of our old falling wedge, it came down, and if you draw it on the wicks exactly, hold on, let me do it. You draw it on these wicks here up at the top, what I'm talking about, just for you guys. This is mind-blowing, man. This is crazy, crazy technical stuff. But look, so this is our downtrend, right? The blue line. You see the wick touch here, the wick touch here, the wick touch here, right? On our way down. We broke it, right? We broke it here in August, late August. For this move, we're coming back down with this really epic retracement, and we find support on it. Perfectly. I mean, perfectly. Now, I saw people when I posted this on Twitter, man, and then I'm sorry. I'm jumping all over the place. Not only that, not only all of that correlation so far, man, dude, the technicals on this, oh my goodness, the technicals look so bottomy here. And I'm not saying that that's guaranteed and that's what's happened already. We've already seen a bottom. Oh my goodness gracious, dude. Oh my goodness. Hold on. I just got chills. Hold on. Hold on. Hold on. I gotta step away for a second because I gotta like shake this out right quick. Hold on. I'm a little too excited. Okay, I'm back. I went and I peed. I just had to like holy shit. Is this falling wedge? Okay. This is a significant finding. What I was going to try to say, wow, is oh my, wow, I in shock. Let's make this a little less visible. I apologize for my reaction. But sorry, what I was trying to say is also there was this falling wedge that I was charting, and you can chart it a few different ways for the critics out there. I know you guys always say, don't worry about the critics, man. We're just looking for correlation, right? To prove our thesis, right? Because the thesis, when I made my videos up here in the middle of September, when we had this first big drop and all this dramatic shit was going on, everybody was freaking out, I was saying, hey, you know, we could be developing a falling wedge here. My chart is getting way too technical now. And obviously I can't predict what the fuck exactly is going to happen, but you see that it actually played out and we had a breakout of the falling wedge, right? There's a few different ways that you can draw it. You have wider trend lines on the bottom, blah, blah, blah. No matter what, this is a falling wedge. I don't give a fuck what anybody says, right? But we don't have confirmation until we actually have a breakout that extends in this fashion here. We got to see a breakout that aligns with, wow, okay, all right, okay. Yeah, so anyway, so that's when you prove that it's a falling wedge. I want to move down here, guys. I really want to come back and test this falling wedge here. I just do. Because if we retest this and we confirm it as support, holy shnikes, my brother and sisters. The bullish implications of all of these things correlating together, combined with your Elliott wave count, which would be a clear 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 at this point, are massive. Okay? When you break back above this 52 and you do not double top here, this is the ultimate signal that bulls are now in control and we are ready for a move up. Wow. Wow, 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 wow. Let me undo that right quick. Wow. This is, oh my goodness. If this doesn't pan out, I will, oh man. Look, I'm not trying to get people too excited here, but man, this is crazy. This is a really, really crazy technical find here. You guys, oh, wow, man. Wow. Wow. Okay. Yeah. This is a realistic wave 3. I'm sorry. Wow. All right. I'm gonna take a I'm gonna take a break from this, and I'm gonna read chat for a little while. No, I did actually. I peed. That's what I did. I went and used the bathroom. Greg. So, what I'm seeing now that I didn't see before, just for everybody who can't keep up because I'm being way too like pumped about this or whatever, is, you know, let's just move this for now. Oh my god, I hate when I move lines on log. I can just redo it. Just so that I'm confirming with everybody here that is watching on. Also, another correlation for this bottom is I was charting this potential bottom trend line that could have been developing because we had multiple touches here in January, right? We had multiple touches here in January before we had liftoff. I was projecting this as well. So when you combine that with the Fibonacci retracement level of 0.786, as well as the falling wedge, as well as a potential wave 1, yeah, so this was a pretty, I was like, okay, yeah, this is a pretty bottomy level. This is not considering this trend line, okay? That was before I drew this. Now, last night I posted a tweet and I said, look at this shit, man. This is pretty crazy. Another bottoming indicator that we had on this was we had this trend line that developed after the run up in June. And if you get, you do it from the wicks exactly here, right? We had this breakout in August, and we kind of traded above it a little bit, and then we came back down. We tested it, and look at this test, man. Look at this. I mean, this is like, this is the type of shit, like, come on. If you sit here and you say that technicals don't work on this, I mean, how close 3370 was our bottom for it to, I mean, this is 3358. Are you 3360? Are you actually kidding me? So what? This is invalid by 10 cents? Is what someone might say that says that technicals aren't valid? Like, kid, I can't stand you. Thank you for the super chat, but I cannot. Oh man, you're such a goof. Worst case scenario for bears. All right. Kid, I'll give you your bear thesis that you're probably getting ready for or whatever, however excited you are. I don't know. I'll give like a short-term bear thesis and stuff like that too. But let me read chat for a little bit. Hang out. Yeah, that's not a thing. Okay. Yeah, everybody who hasn't liked the stream, make sure you like the stream if you are enjoying the content thus far. We have 230 viewers and 140 likes. There's a disparity in the amount of likes that we have. And if we get more likes, then it tells the YouTube algorithm that this is worthy content for people to be watching. So I appreciate ya in advance. Thank you. Thank you for the likes. So, do you guys want to see? I mean, I've kind of like exhausted the bullshit. Bullshit. You know what I mean. Kind of exhausted the bull thesis a little bit here, right? So, do you guys want to talk about like bearish scenarios, or let me know? Say continue bull or bear. Say bull or bear in chat, whatever you want to see. Kid, the way you came into chat, bro, you're gonna get a little steamrolled. I'm not gonna lie. Like the way you came in with the short squeeze is fake and blah blah blah. Like, come on, like, oh god. Man, it's so even bull to bear, right? Wild. Alien for moon, I like it. Yeah. Yeah, kid, you gotta understand, bro. I know you said LOL. You I mean, the way you came in, like, come on. All right, so I like you, kid. You're a good guy, man, but sometimes, boy, you be killing that fucking spamming the same shit over and over again in my Twitter replies, and you came into fucking my YouTube chat and did this shit. I was like, bro, please. All right, let's talk about bears, man. Let's talk about bears. We don't talk about bears enough, right? Because I'm a bull, so you know I'm biased. So, and look, man, another reason. Look, I'm not just sitting here like, oh yeah, you know, dude. Look, I look at shit realistically, and I look at bearish price action as discount in my conviction, right? So, I just think that we are like in a reversal territory. I just do. Oh, another thing. If we do want to talk about reversal, just one more little caveat for reversal. This is something that a lot of people don't chart. It's the Elliott triangle wave. And basically the way that it works is it let's see. I mean, you can draw it a bunch of different. Oh, fuck me. Sorry. All right, let's just say it's this. Okay. Say that this is a, you could say, okay, this is a bull flag, bull pennant, whatever the fuck. Which AMC doesn't really fuck with these, if I'm being honest with you. But remember it's a bull. But anyway, Elliott triangle basically it's a corrective wave, but it's a 5-wave corrective. So you have a you would probably say a B, C, D, E, right? And this isn't perfect, by the way, but it's also and I'd have to like sit here and fuck with it because I'm not as familiar with triangles. But basically, if you say that this is a wave 1, then basically what I'm saying is you have a well, you would have said that it was like this. Well, you would have said that it's this. I'm sorry. That's why it was fucking me up. I'm sorry. This is the right way to do it. Okay. So you had, yeah, this is it. Okay, sorry. A, B, C, D, E for your correction. And then it has a breakout. And normally it's a triangle pattern. This does resemble a W as well. Everybody's so familiar. Look, the reason that you see a lot of this fucking correlation and you have all these patterns that kind of line up and shit, like with the W and the blah, 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 it's because there's a bunch of different methodologies. And the only reason that they're popular methodologies is because they fucking work, right? So more than one works. And that's why we look for confirmation rather than like, oh, one pattern. That's proof, right? It's proof that that's what's going to happen because there's so many different methodologies, so many different factors, traders, day traders, swing traders, investors, short sellers. All of these people play a factor in the price at the end of the day, right? So, and then that E wave becomes typically a wave 1. That's how it works, right? Like we've discussed. So let's talk bearish. I got a couple super chats. Let me read those. Thank you guys so much for the super chats. Juan says, "Bull, can't you see a small reversal head and shoulders forming? Reverse head and shoulders? Oh, okay. Small. You said a small reverse head and shoulders. Yeah, and just for more context, whenever you see these sorts of yeah, for sure. Yeah, you could say this is an inverse head and shoulders. Yeah. I can see it. Right? Shoulder, head, potential shoulder. Is this how you're saying, Juan? Potentially, right? This could be a inverse head and shoulders if you wanted it to be. Or you could say it's like this, which is a reversal pattern for those who don't know. I accidentally made 2 points here, but you get the fucking idea. I'm just kidding. And then Rhode Island said, "First timer in a stream. I'll buy a beer for anyone who shares my enthusiasm and excitement in the stock. Cheers, pal." Thank you, Rhode. I appreciate you, dude. If you guys haven't subscribed already, make sure you subscribe to the channel if you want to see more of my content. Yeah, Rob, everybody's got their own thing. Yeah, Trey's cat is in chat. David is our dad. Oh. Hello, sons and daughters and all right. What was I doing? Oh, bear. Yeah, we're doing bearish. Sorry, I get sidetracked. You guys are just so much fun to talk to. So a bearish, you could, okay, let's see. See what bearish looks like. All right, shorter term bearish. Let's do it. I know you guys are like, yeah, I said bull. Retracement, right? So a bear is going to tell you, and let's do it on the weekly, just so we can have like a more macro view. A bear would tell you, maybe even the monthly will be better. Monthly looks like a fucking seahorse again. Seahorse. A bear. A bear would tell you, our retracement isn't done yet. Okay? So what they'd say is, they would say 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This is what they would say was your bullish wave up. And what they would say is that you haven't completed your ABC correction, which is A, B. The bulls are saying this was our ABC. The bears, I don't know, man. This is an ABC. God. I mean, I suppose that what they're saying is we've seen what they would say is we've seen a major trend shift, right? And now you're in a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 down, and you need to come down and test your 0.786. That's what they would say. But this, you got a double bottom, and you just, I see it as an ABC going into a 1, and that's one of the tricks about, and that's why you gotta like use multiple theories and ways to look at this. But I just don't see. Well, you could say this is an ABC. Yeah. Okay. Okay. I see it. I see it. I just. Yeah, I can see this. Okay. All right. I don't know why it was so hard for me to draw that a second ago, but yeah, I could see the point. The bearish ABC. Okay. And then within that, you have your 5-wave Elliott. I don't mind it. I don't mind it. You have your 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Let's do an upside down. Then let's do this. This is a way that you can check it. You would do a retracement, but you would do it upside down here, like inverse. And then what bears would say is that they had wave 2 settle at the 0.786, go down here to their wave 3 thus far. Wave 4 settled at its 0.5, and then you're going to have a 5th wave down, which would be, let's measure, with a fib extension. From the 2 to the 3 to the 4. This is the sort of thing that bears would be looking for. Wait, where the fuck are all my extension levels at? Why is it stopping there? Did I take them off? What? Yeah, I did take them off. Why does my extension look so shit? What the fuck? I'm so confused by this. Did I do something wrong? What did I do? The battle of the bulls and the bears, baby. What an interesting thing, right? So I could see it. I don't mind it. Maybe here. Wait, I'm so confused. Does anybody in chat know what I did wrong? This doesn't make any sense. I don't know. Hey. Yeah, so I could see it, you know? 3 month. So you're saying 3 month time frame, or you're saying like this? Okay. Like maybe it's this. And then look at a 3 month price action. It's a price. Yeah. Okay. Let's see the Wyckoff. Hold on. Oh my goodness. Oh. Yeah. Yeah, this is what I've been Big West. Thank you for the super chat, by the way, man. I appreciate you. Yeah, so what Big West is talking about is, I'm assuming, Big West, that you're looking at this, right? The Wyckoff accumulation schematic. And basically what he's saying is, correct me if I'm wrong, by the way, Big West. I'll be looking for your chat, buddy. But basically what he's saying is, boom, 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 right? On this, like, initial wave down. I'm just gonna like quickly chart this. Hold on. Or maybe you'd probably say here. So I'm gonna make fucking full videos on this shit so that I don't have to explain what the fuck these things stand for. I'm not explaining what this stands for. I'm sorry. I'm not going to explain what everything stands for. You can look it up. Or wait for me to post a video on it one day. So you're selling climax. This is probably your selling scenario. Selling climax. I would maybe, and these don't have to be perfect, by the way. This is just one example of the schematic. Change the color of this. So this would be your perhaps that this is that secondary. So oh no, because this is the climax selling. Yeah, like this. Boom. Okay. Maybe if we go to a at first sight. Or Big West, are you talking about distribution? Are you seeing this later thing as distribution? Or are you seeing it as the end of accumulation? Because that's how I've previously seen it. Like for a second, I was like, "Yo, this looks like the distribution chart." For you guys who don't know what I'm talking about, this is the Wyckoff distribution chart, where it's pretty much the goal of it is for institutions to be able to dump their positions. Yeah, so accumulation. So you think that we're in SOS of accumulation, right? So then you have your sell test. And like I said, you need to do your research like on your own. I'm not going to sit here and explain Wyckoff like step by step to you in this stream because that's not the point of the stream. If it were the point of the stream, I'd do it, but it's just not. And then you have, well, oh, wait, hold on. I'm seeing something. You could say that this is a... Whoa, dude. And then maybe you're going to come down for another test. Whoa. I haven't looked at it like this before. Whoa. Is this how you were looking at it, Big West? Message retracted. Fucking kid, dude. Your life is just, you just have retracted messages. I love you, buddy. Love to give you shit. Where's Big West? Looks like face. Yeah, phase C. You're right, dude. You're right. Wow. What a bunch of shit we're discovering today, brother. Wow. Diverse perspective. This is why I love you guys. Thank you guys so much for... So, boom. Right? This is a convincing... This is something. Shout out to Big West, man. Thank you, dude. I'm glad that you said this. Glad that I had the opportunity to having you in here to say this, man. I appreciate it. So, would say that I should go pull it up so I can see like the big picture. I'm looking at this fucking tiny piece of shit. I'm literally looking at the OBS. So imagine I'm looking at a smaller version of what you guys are looking at, and then I'm looking at the smaller version of that, like the thing, which is stupid. Yeah, man, this is further correlation. Where's Kid at, dude? Where's Kid? Yeah, Big West, good shit, dude. Kid is just message retracted. I hope you guys aren't like banning Kid. I need to make Kid a... Oh my god, that's such a bad idea. Should I make Kid a mod? That is a horrible idea, right? I'm making Kid a mod. That's a horrible idea. But it's okay. I can remove him if he... Wild shit. Yo, Kid, what do you think about this? This, let me pull up the fucking schematic bigger picture itself. Because I know you guys, it's pretty big for you guys, but for me, it's fucking tiny as shit. And I just don't have the file like readily available. I just want to make the direct comparison. So, okay. So then based on this theory, getting there, guys. Sorry. This is convincing. I have to say, Big West, this is pretty impressive, buddy. That you This is good, man. Good shit, dude. I may make a video on this, Big West, if that's cool with you, man. Because this is definitely something that people should be looking at for this play. Wow. Dude, I'm so sad that Kid is a fucking mod now. It makes me very uncomfortable. I'm actually very scared. So, for clear, anybody who's not familiar with what Wyckoff is, like what the purpose of it is, like whatever. Richard Wyckoff in the 1920s or the 1930s, I believe, is he was basically describing a market dynamic where institutions were purposely manipulating the price by buying or selling in order to create an environment where retail traders would become exhausted and more likely to sell their assets in an accumulation period, so that they could accumulate the asset at the cheapest price, and they could also sell that asset along the way in order to buy the asset along the way, which the price would go up on. They would keep the hype in, right? People stay excited about the stock or the asset, whatever, and then they would sell down again. So they basically exhaust retail traders using this methodology. So what you would say is, man, this is good. This is good shit right here, dude. Wow, I am very impressed. I'm very impressed. I have to say, oh fuck, not impressed by myself. Dude, this is like crazy. Wow. Wow, man. How did I not see this? I look for these fucking patterns. Oh, man. I look for these patterns all the time. This is like one of my main things that I look for. Wow. So then, well, and again, it doesn't have to be perfect, but basically the point is to exhaust retail. That makes sense. Let me catch up on chat for a second. No, stream's not over. Oh, no. Fuck, the stream's fucking failing again, dude. Are you guys here? You guys see me? Hear me? Fuck. Okay, cool. You guys can tell what's going on. All right. Wyckoff accumulation, yeah. Wyckoff accumulation. It's the Wyckoff accumulation. That's what we're looking at here, boys. This is certainly some Wyckoff accumulation going on around here, if you ask me. Goddamn, boy. I think institutions are accumulating this through a Wyckoff accumulation schematic. What would you... I'm so confused, man. Because it fucking... Wyckoff fucking... It just repeats itself over. Fucking frustrating. Yeah, this is why we Test 2829. How? DM me what you mean by that, kid. I don't see that in this. This is clearly we've had the spring. Right? So what we would be looking for is a test here of this trend essentially. And then here, basically, is what the insinuation would be. Man, this Cox cable, dude. I'm sorry, guys. Yeah, and we're dropping viewers because the stream's fucking up, dude. Cox cable, bro. ST and phase B. I mean, whatever. So everything. All right. So then this would be your PS. Test. Yeah. Crazy, right? This is crazy. I fucking hate Wyckoff. Okay, so if this is STB, then this would be the phase right after it. We have our drop. No, makes sense. So this is an extension of that post B sell test phase, right? Then we came down and had our spring, then our test. Is that how we should be looking at it? Stream look good or? Say good in the chat if the stream looks good. Will, were you the one that said that? Oh yeah. I did finish explaining, but I'll do it again because I know that it cut out or whatever. So Kid brings up a good point. You could have a sell climax. Well, the spring could go lower than the sell climax. Let me show you guys an example of when this has happened historically. Okay, Bitcoin chart. Wyckoff's favorite chart the past few months is this. What Kid is referring to here, guys, is the sell climax. Right? The spring actually goes lower. And what I would say to counter that, and I'm not just trying to like convince myself that that we're not going to go lower or whatever, Kid, is that maybe on a different time frame you have a close or something happened that could say that, okay, yeah, spring actually did close lower or whatever. But I don't know. Maybe. Okay, so sell climax is here. Sell climax, the way that I have it charted right now, Kid. What just happened? Oh, okay. Boy, I was about to be. So spring would actually go lower than the 2889. If this is the schematic that we're following. Again, there are more schematics. I don't know, man. Hard to say. So what I was saying was, sorry. I got sidetracked. that you could have a spring and a test here, kid, right? Because your sell climax is here, right? It's just, I don't know, man. This methodology, it mixes with itself. Like, you can't just look at the chart and say, okay, that's the chart. It has to stay to that. Does that make sense? The goal is for institutions to be able to accumulate the asset before the asset typically pumps. Like, they want to get max value, so get as much of the asset as they possibly can in the accumulation phase before they prepare themselves for a distribution phase where, and I'm sure that if you look at this process here, but I'll just show you on Bitcoin what distribution looks like, because Bitcoin is Bitcoin has seen some distribution this year. Hard to fucking question that. That they were using this shit on this shit, but so yeah, see the all-time highs. So basically, what institutions are doing here in the distribution phase is they are buying it up and then selling it down, and they're getting max value for their sale price here. Boom. So they're out for the most part here. They exit all their positions. It crashes the price. They start accumulating it again. But then they can get it up again, make the price go up again, and then they'll have max value again. Whether I'm related to Dave Marino? I am Dave Marino. Are you talking about Dan Marino? Oh my god, dude. The stream is just failing me. Here. Self while I'm getting my food. Yeah, I think then smart if it's Dan Marino. Come on, man. No, I'm not related. Yeah, man. This looks like SOS to me. Yeah. I don't know, dude. The pattern makes itself within its stand. Like, it's not. You gotta make. Haha, yeah, yeah, Bandy. They're trying to make this stream out. It's too much info. Yeah, it's facts, dude. You're like, yo. They're like, yo, this info is too good, bro. That's why we don't let them teach that shit in school. No, not Chinese food. I got Chick-fil-A for those asking. Looks like we got good stream quality now. They are shorting the live, yeah. Citadel is definitely in this motherfucker. Does Citadel have a big position in Google? Does anybody know? Are they long Google or short? They're calling their buddies. They're like, yo, this David Marino Jr. guy gotta dump his stream, dog. Gonna have to cut that one off. Nah, it's my internet. They might have a position in Cox. Simp, I love you. I love you too, Simp. That's actually a fitting comment for your name. I like that. I appreciate the I don't know if you did that on purpose or not, but if you did, I appreciate the artistry. Bit of like it. I got the spicy chicken deluxe sandwich, by the way, from Chick-fil-A. Why is one Wyckoff chart up and the other down? They're trying to. I gotta take a bite of this food in a second, but I think well, it's just because they're trying to make maximum profit, right? So they're trying to buy a lot at one point and then sell a lot at the other point and get the most amount of profit. Basically just big swing trades essentially. Does that make sense? Wait, you're getting ads? You shouldn't be getting ads. What the fuck? Why are my viewers going down? Oh. What the fuck is going on?